Starting off with 1 litre of passata, regular or herby, 1 handful of fresh basil, chopped, 1 large onion, finely chopped, 2 sticks of celery, finely chopped, and 1 chunky carrot, finely chopped. For the vegan mincemeat, I'm using Sons of Butchers. It's an amazing brand, I use them very often. 3 cloves of garlic, some salt and pepper, teaspoon of each. Now in some olive oil, we're going to add in the onions, celery, carrots and garlic, salt and pepper, give it a good stir. Add in your vegan mincemeat, break that down, and go in with the basil and the passata. Now give that a very good stir. And we're going to move on to the bechamel sauce. So going in with 1 litre of plant-based milk, 50 grams of vegan butter, 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, some salt and pepper, a teaspoon of each. Right, so the first step in this is to melt the vegan butter. Add in your salt and pepper. I like mine peppery, so it's going to be a bit darker, but you're gradually going to add in your flour. Give it a good stir. And slowly but surely add in the plant-based milk. Now it's going to look at first like mashed potatoes. Once you get to that consistency, just go in and add the rest and bring it to a boil until you'll see a nice thick creamy texture there. Now for the toppings, I'm using Love Seitan's seitan pepperoni. It's absolutely amazing. And you can just use any other pizza toppings that you'd usually use. And of course you're going to need the lasagna sheets. Now the first layer has to be the bechamel sauce because that's what's going to give it the initial moisture. Okay, add on all the layers that you wish. Just make sure that you add the lasagna sheets in between. That's pretty much it. You can also sprinkle on some optional vegan parmesan, and I'm also adding on top of that some dried oregano. Now you're going to stick that in the oven, preheated, for 45 minutes on 180 degrees C or 355 Fahrenheit. Some tin foil on top. Then for the last 5 minutes, take it off. That will just give it the golden finish. As you can see, it's nice, it's beautiful, smoky because of the pepperoni in there. That's really it. I hope you enjoyed this video, folks. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment down below, hit subscribe, because that's how you make vegan lasagn-izza, Pizzasagna, lasagn-izza, whatever. It's all good. Ciao for now, folks. See you on the next one.